क्या बात है।
Very good. Very bad efforts made by opposition party. This wild election is going on. In this, the duo has lost the game. Next duo is now starting another game. I think the effort made by Kochka is too worse. So
बैलेंस बना देंगे कपड़ा
2-0, 3-0. So I think the balance has. Oh, sorry. This is foul, so the duo has gained a point. This smash has made a point for Anurag Bhaiya and this also. This wonderful shot has also made a point for Anurag Bhaiya. This worst shot will made point as a gain of point in this foolish shot has been made by Kochka, but this bad shot is made by Anurag Bhaiya. Now this is the foolish shot. So the wild game is going on. Service has been made. This is not foul, and the duo has lost the match. Next duo has been made for next match. In this, Kochka and Sneha will survive. Will they win? This is foul. This is foul, and there is gain in points of Anurag Bhaiya. So wow, what a foolish shot made by Kochka. This smash is made by Anurag Bhaiya, and this will gain him a point. And this extraordinary shot is also made by Anurag Bhaiya. This also. According to me, this also very good shot, and this foolishness has made a point in the corner of Anurag Bhaiya, which will made him win. Now this also has gained. Anurag Bhaiya is gaining point on point and point on point. So this also a point and Anurag Bhaiya has made 9 points on Sneha and the duo has made 0 points. So this badass point will be gone to Anurag Bhaiya, and Anurag Bhaiya has won the match. I think duo want to continue the match with another loss of match. I think this match will be won by the duo because the air is not in the favor of Anurag Bhaiya. Duo is making a foolishness. Because of that, Anurag Bhaiya has gained a point. This smash has also made a point for Anurag Bhaiya. This point has been also made by Anurag Bhaiya, and this is a quick. Oh, this is so badass, extraordinary, and this is so good shot, but hasn't crossed the boundary. Anurag Bhaiya has made 8 points on, and the duo has made 1 point. 9 on 1. 10-1. The duo has also lost this match. This match also has been lost by the duo. Another duo want to made in this 1-0 has the point is so. As you can see, there are so many advertisement. So this foolish shot has been made by the duo, but this has gained a point in Anurag Bhaiya. So as you can see the potential of both. This interesting shot has been made by IC, and this will gain a point in Anurag Bhaiya corner. This also has made a point for Anurag Bhaiya. 4-0. Anurag Bhaiya has made 4 points, and the duo has made. Anurag Bhaiya has made 5 points, and the duo has made 0 points. 6-0. This smash has a slowly response, but again in point of Anurag Bhaiya. What is being done by IOC? The audience are boring themselves. You are boring now. So 1 point is also been given by Anurag Bhaiya. This also, I think player is not interested in the game because she is laughing during the game instead of Rishabh want to made a point, made a respect here, but I think Anurag Bhaiya will win. This is foul, and this will gain a point for Rishabh. or a duo or the duo. 1 for 1. This shot has made a slowly response, but a beautiful gain in this beautiful gain has been made by Anurag Bhaiya. This slowly response has been made by Anurag Bhaiya as a gain in point. 6 for 1. I think audience are enjoying the game because of Rishabh had entered. 7 for 1. As you can see, Anurag Bhaiya has made a beautiful effort because he is winning 1 by 1. I think audience want to be keep quiet. This foolish has made a beautiful gain in point of Anurag Bhaiya. According to audience, this is foul. 9 for 2 and 10 for 2. These Rishabh or the duo has lost the match. Now the duo has been made with Sneha and Rishabh. First point goes to the duo made by Sneha. Sneha is giving her best efforts as she has gained 2 points for the duo. 3 for 0. In this, I think Anurag Bhaiya is not making efforts. But now I think he is making efforts. But here the duo has made a point also in a gain. I think this duo has made a beautiful response. And audience are... Though this is very bad effort. But as a on looking their points, oh, the duo has made a point also as 5 for 2. Here 2 of Anurag Bhaiya and 1 and 5 for the duo. This duo has made a beautiful response as a gain in point. Here the wire has disturbed the game, but don't worry, game will be continued. 5 for 2, and this foolish has made a gain in point of Anurag Bhaiya. This foolish has made a point in a gain as a gain of Anurag Bhaiya's point. This foolish has also made a point for Anurag Bhaiya. 8 for 5. This is very difficult for winning for both teams. I think efforts are not been made by the duo. 5 for 9. This is bad service because this has not the duo has lost his game. Now another duo has came in this. Abhishek Bhaiya has enrolled. I think duo will be not made. 1v1. In this, Ashwik Bhaiya is not making efforts. Anurag Bhaiya is instructing him, but I think Anurag Bhaiya is not want to play. He has made all the team grounded down. So 1v1 is going on. So here's Sneha making efforts beautifully, but this shot has not made any gain in point of Ashwik Bhaiya. This has made a point in Sneha's points. So recap has came that Anurag Bhaiya has won 8 times against the duo.
एक बार तुम्हारे लगे 5-0 ही करा ना, उसके बाद हार के
In that's also enrolled a match in which the duo has made 5 points, but they have lost. Here I think Sneha is not making any effort.
बोलता है लो देखिए।
चलता है 16 मिनट।
चलो ठीक है। बहुत देर बना, 17 मिनट बनेगा। बनाते लगातार बनाए हो क्या? लगातार नहीं बना रहा है।